Howdy everyone, it's Wolfie or Raptor from Raptor Wolf 3 here with another game and video for you. So I had a lot of fun last time I played Cluster Truck, so I figured I'd play it again for you guys, and that seems to be a video that you guys really liked, even though it was 45 minutes long. I have a timer set this time so it won't be so long. Anyway, I'm really tired right now because I just am. So, considering my skill level in the last video, this is gonna be good fun. Just watching me fail this game over and over. If this will load, which it hopefully will. Alright, here we go. Let's turn up the music a bit. So last time we left off at the sci-fi Tron Legacy looking world with the magnets and stuff. So, and I haven't played any since. So let's just get back to it. Alright, let's go. In fact, this is the same level that I left off. No, it isn't. What? Is it? Jesus. Alright. This actually looks different than that last level. Maybe I did... Did I complete the last level in the last episode? Oh, jeez. Ow. Alright. Anyway. So I guess I did get past that level before this one in the last episode, so I guess this is a new level then. Cool. Oh, crap. Well, this is pretty much going the same as the last one. Infinite failures, except just for half as much time. Why didn't I get a flying truck jump for that? I forgot I had superpowers in this. Alright, beam me up. Where am I going? There? I'm not exactly sure where I'm supposed to be going. Nope. Nope. I'm not really using my abilities much in this one. Jeez. Ah. Am I supposed to, like, go up there? What's like the dealio? This is a good idea. I just realized I forgot to put the sign on the door that says I'm recording. It's right next to me, that sign is. So, I guess we'll just have to make sure that, I don't know. Probably no one will barge in. I've never done that before. Do I just do this? No, that just hits me into a wall. Come on! Ah! What do I do? Tell me your secrets. Oh, whoa. Oh, I got a thing and then I died. How? I hope, like, the last level, just, like, of this game in general, is just, I just have to, like, wait on one truck to survive. It's not going to be, but it'd be funny. Be a nice little, I guess, troll, I guess? Alright, let's go into the little wavy bit. Oh, fluff. Oh, whoa, what did I just do then? Hello. Hello. Oh, crap. So, today in class, I have a funny story to tell. In class, I was trying to show my drawing. If you follow and like my, or see any of my art on Tumblr or not Fur Affinity, Furmino. I should get a Fur Affinity. Anyway, on Furmino, you'll see that I drew a couple Dutch angel dragons. You know, just for the fun of it. I was probably watching like way too much telephone videos or something. But I drew a couple Dutch angel dragons named Solus and Tonutri.
I don't know, their names are in Latin and I don't exactly know how to pronounce them fully. I did it! Yay! Maybe the key is just talking, and I eventually do it. Oh, jeez. Or not. Alright, that looked like an explosion. Anyway, so I was showing my, my teacher these drawings, and I had to explain what a Dutch angel dragon was. And I said, oh yeah, the art community I'm in invented a new angel instead of a new animal. Because I was supposed to say we invented a new kind of animal, because that's what Telephone did. She invented Dutch angel dragons, I think. If I'm wrong about that, but I don't think I am. I'm not. Maybe? Pretty sure she invented them. But, instead of saying we invented a new animal, I said we invented a new angel. And then I caught my mistake. I'm like, oh, fuck. And then I realized I just dropped an F-bomb in front of my teacher. But luckily, my teacher's super cool and chill, and she just laughed. And it took me a little while to catch my mistake. And then I'm like, oh, I meant to say animal, and not fuck. Ah! No! Ceiling! Why do I keep hitting the ceiling? How do I avoid that? Anyway. But yeah, that's just a funny story. If you enjoyed that, and all of my failures and awkwardness. Woo! Whee! Nope. No. Wait, can I? No, I can't. Or maybe I can. Maybe. If people like me, no, I can't. I was thinking I could, like, go through there, but I can't. Fluff! Music's cool, which I've said for, I think, in both my Cluster Truck videos, like 3 times. What am I talking about? Both my Cluster Truck videos. This is only my second one. Whee! Ah! Fluff! I don't know why I'm saying fluff. It's just kind of my go-to not curse word. Like, you know how some people say, like, fudge and stuff? I say fluff. I said that before I was a furry. So it's not just a furry thing. Oh, I just have to drop down? That's cool. Yay! 7-2 complete. Speed bonus done. As the destruction behind me, I just continue on. Alright, 7-3. What's this level got for me? Anyway, yeah, I've said fluff before I was a furry, so it's not just a furry thing that I do. It's just me. Like, instead of some people say fudge when they mean to drop an F-bomb, but there's, like, kids or something around that they don't want to, like, drop an F-bomb right near. They say fudge. I say fluff. I don't know why I applied that to my YouTube channel. Guess just randomness? Is there only... Do you have to use the speed boost to get to there? Or is there something I'm missing? See, and I don't know, I guess... Huzzah! Oh, fuck. Ha. Ha, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. No! I have to speed boost over there or something. I don't know. What am I supposed to do, game? Tell me! Okay. I'm sorry, I got really aggressive there. Alright, do I just like... Oh, well, fuck me. Hep. Hep. Wee-hoo! I feel like the Matrix. Oh, nope. In the Matrix, they didn't keep dying. Huzzah! Alright. Alright, maybe if I just don't die. Why did that happen? I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to do in this level. No, I keep hitting the wall. Ha! Yeah! There we go. Now, if I can just land, and I can. Maybe they'll push my dead body to the goal. Oh my god, I think they are. If I had just stayed on this truck, I would have survived. They're just pushing my corpse to the goal. God damn it. Alright, but I know what to do now. I did it right. Probably. I'm supposed to get on a truck and jump. Oh well, fluff me. Ha. Ha. Ah. It's just like the movie Tron Legacy. That's what I would say if I didn't suck. I'm sorry. Man, this entire episode is just gonna be me on just these two levels. Probably. What did I even do? Alright, now let's just ride this to victory! Please, no. So, a couple friends of mine were... Oh, fluff. A couple friends of mine who have watched my videos were saying, hey, you should get a face cam. And I don't know why. I don't really want to show. I don't really think you guys want to look at my face just during videos. And we'll kind of take away some of the furry magic and stuff. Oh crap, what the... So what I'm thinking is there's this cool program called FaceRig where I can be a wolf. And that'll be fun. So look forward to that in the future. So yeah, I might get a face cam and you can see my full wolfiness via the magic of FaceRig. Oh no, I'm just gonna fall down now. Goodbye. I don't really know what it wants me to do. Maybe I should sprint all the way there? I could do this? No, I can't. No, I did it. I had it. I have it. I'm doing it. Yeah! Now I just have to ride this out. Right? Pretty much. Awesome. That was simple. Awesome. Oh god! Come on! Really? There's missiles now? Jesus! Ah! Alright, this is actually a super cool, fun mechanic. I wonder if I could ride the missile. I'll try that next time, if I'm just playing around. Oh, fluff. I was so close. Whoa! Alright. This game will make you feel like a badass, even if you fail at it. Nope. Shoot. Woohoo! Oh, that isn't cool. I don't know what is. I'm just kidding. I know what's cool. Freaking jumping on trucks with missiles. That's what's cool. If this was real. This is a video game. Ha! Huzzah! I'm gonna do it. Oh, my mouse is stuck. Crap. Alright, there we go. Alright, please. Oh, it's frozen? What? Oh. I don't know if you saw that, but my game just kind of lagged out a bit. I don't know if it caught all that on the recording software, but... Jeez. Let's just try and ride these out. Because it seems to just be shooting at the kind of front ones. Nope. That was directly for mine. Alright! Sweet, 7-4 complete. What? Oh god. Come on! Really? That was a whole wall of missiles! Jeez. No! I'm gonna get on the 2 surviving ones! Please, just land. Just do it. Just land. Alright. Oh god. Please, okay. Just drive off the edge. What? Oh god, don't hit the edge. No, I was so close. You see the goal, it's right there, and I can't. Oh god, more missiles. Ah! No. Fluff. Gee whiz. Gee willikers. Gee whiz. Okay. I think I'm getting through these faster than I did in the last episode, so that's good, I guess. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Ha, 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 yes. Now I just stand on this truck and I'm safe, right? Famous last words. I was right. I can do this. 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 Also, I'm gonna see if I can actually edit this video, because all of my videos, in fact, have not actually been edited. Fun fact. The recording software automatically merges in the audio and the video. But I'm gonna see if I can edit to make this a better experience. Jesus. Why? Why? All of the missiles raining from the sky. It's like we just decided, you know what? Oh. Why? There's an ad. Okay. There's just an ad there. Oh god, what is with all of this lag? I know why. There's a bunch of missiles firing from a wall! That's why. I'm done with your shit game. Oh, come on. Well, that was just rude. I hope the neighbors can't hear me. Ah, fuck. Earlier in this video, I'm like, I'm gonna try not to curse, you know? And right now, I'm just like, fuck that shit. I am tired. I'm sick and tired of your missile wall! Whee! This is so fun! Holy cow! Whoa! Oh my I was Mickey Mouse for a second there. Oh, Jesus. Not again. Just stop it. Stop it with your... Nope. Well, that's all the time we have for this episode. Nope, I'm done. So, if you liked it... Stop it. Timer. Quit it. Okay. Alright, if you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. And watch my other videos if you want, because that's cool, I guess. And, I'll see you guys, around. Bye.